Horrible phone case. I'm going to get a new phone today because this is not cute. But this is, I wanted to show, if I can hold this properly, I wanted to show the mask on my face. Yeah, it's a struggle for real. Shit. Alright, so I'll let this sit until it gets hard. And yeah, we'll come back. Okay, so I just rinsed my face. Now I'm getting some spots here. Now I'm going to moisturize it. Honestly, it's so funny how my skin is when it gets cold, because I start to like get my breakouts kind of on my cheek bones, and also like in this area, like this happened maybe some point this week on like Wednesday, this coming in, and I always am able to figure out why I'm breaking out. And honestly, this is from food, from this buffet that I kind of was getting lunch from. So I haven't been eating there. And I'm going to show you what I use to moisturize my face. So right here is like my drawer for different face stuff. So I'm going to be using this. This is a serum that you can use at night and in the morning. I use this in the morning more than anything. Honestly, I've been slacking cleaning my face at night. But I'm going to use this. And then I'm gonna use tea tree oil. Honestly, I usually get mine from Vitamin Shop, but I was in Walmart, so I got the Better Home and Gardens. So it has the same, you know, intensity, but it's not the actual brand that I buy. I think it's the yellow, it's a Vitamin Shop brand that I buy. And then today I'm going to do, because I'm going to put makeup on, this is an elixir or oil. It's also a serum, a primer for makeup, and I got this from Ulta, and I actually got it from looking at the magazine that I get. So I've been using this, as you can see, and it's really, really good. Very moisturizing. So every day though, I kind of switch around what I put on my face, because honestly, when I was younger, I didn't need to put anything on my face. I do have eczema, but when I, was in school, I would just get in the shower, wash my body, rinse my face with hot water, and then get out and put like my hydrocortisone on my face, and that was literally it. And then when I had a major breakout, I did some more research. So I'm gonna apply this and then come back. So I made breakfast. I just made turkey bacon with eggs and omelet for the egg, the cheese. This jackfruit I had, and I haven't used it, but I don't know. Have you guys ever tried this?
social media influencer or a TikTok star, and they tell you, okay, yeah, wow, okay, you won't be able to do it, watch. You're killing your own blessings because you're so scared to move in silence. You're so scared to keep everything to yourself. You have a lot of good ideas and good things coming your way, but you're so scared to move in silence. You should be moving in silence, not telling anybody anything. Only tell the few select people. Even if you don't want to tell your friends, keep it to yourself and then let them know when you accomplish it. Because a lot of times, sometimes you mistake the friend that won't congratulate you when you have an idea, when that's nothing. Like, if you have an idea, that's regular. Ideas ain't shit unless you can bring them to life. You have an idea for a show? Where's your script? Why didn't you write a script yet?
Talking about this, I just know that, like, again, the people who feel very, very strongly, like, pro-black girl in luxury might not even watch this video because they're probably going to assume that I'm going to be totally against it, which I'm just going to be walking us through it because I think this is a very sensitive topic. And I'm probably going to put together a little public playlist of black girl in luxury videos that you all can watch with commentary, compilations that I'm watching.
Alright, what's up, y'all? It's Amber Ashli. Today is Sunday, September 26th, and I'm just about all packed up to go to my shoot in New York. I have a shoot in Brooklyn for Mom Magazine. So right here, I just have my accessory bag, the cord for the camera, my bag I'm gonna like use. I actually got a put a nail back on. That's why I always keep this. These are fake. Then I'm gonna bring my laptop. Right now, what I'm wearing is some pink shorts, some Asics. These are Asics, right? Yeah. Asics, yeah, shit. I don't know, this hat, I don't know what brand this is. And I don't feel like taking it off to tell you guys, honestly. I'll just post it here. My little fan I got from Amazon because I'm always hot. And that's it, and a white tank. And I'm probably just going to grab my, like, I have just a gray fluffy sweater. So when I shoot, when I style shoots, I get hot. And sometimes, depending on where you are, they may or may not have like a fan. So I've learned my lesson over the years. And actually, this is the first time I'm actually purchasing like my mini fan. So that's why I have it. But yeah, I like to be comfortable on set. And you know, sneakers is best for me. Depending on, you know, how you move around. You may wear heels or whatever. Sometimes I wear flats too, like. But yeah, so just comfortable, and I'm about to leave. So when I get there, I will get back on and show you guys behind the scenes of the shoot. All right, thank you guys so much. Talk to you soon. So this happened. Oh, I didn't even get. Doing a vlog because I'm going to New York to a shoot. Ace. If y'all don't want to be on camera, let me know. This is just a part of the vlog. Behind the scenes. Oh, well, we all fit? It might have to be two.
Yeah, we could do this.
Yes, I guess, yeah.
Whatever. If you want, you can put your bag on top.
My phone, I cracked my phone last shoot I had. I never cracked the phone in 4 years. In the case, because the case cracked first. So I was like trying to find the iPhone in case I had my phone for so long. No one in the store had it.
Yeah, you did.
I think I was telling you, and then look now, look at the. I know, I might as well get some footage, some vlogging today. So I'm here waiting for the model. I like these ones. That's how my hair was. Yep. Look at my phone. New phone on the way. This phone is trash. Oh, jeez, why did I do that? We're waiting for the model to get here. And we have, you know, semi set up. But as I'm talking, I will give a tour of the spot. The makeup artist in Asia. It's still on me. There's the bathroom. We're not gonna be shooting in here, but and another bathroom. I'm still gonna post this even though it's red. The hue. I'm getting a new camera and I'm getting a new phone. These two things are being updated today or tomorrow, depending on what time I get back. So yeah, here's a tour. The mirrors are fire. Is it blurry? Guess what happened? The model did not show up, but we improvised, so is it recording? Okay, Anasia is our model today because we'll get into that later. Okay, alright, so first look.
Wait, I didn't know it's the little.
You have a conversation?
Oh, the little.
I don't have any. It's okay. It's not gonna be like, if anything, you can edit. I'll have it where it's tasteful. No, right here. That's the kitchen. Let me know if you need help.
Let me know if you need me to add anything.
Okay, yeah, no problem. It looks good.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. Alright. So she's changing. So.